the Union Budget 2026 draws closer, one question is quietly gaining urgency. Should India tax its richest citizens more? On paper, it sounds simple. The government needs money, spending pressures are rising, so why not ask those at the very top to pay more? But tax experts are sounding a warning. Raise taxes on the super rich too sharply, and India could end up losing far more than it gains. Here is why, but before that, a quick trick. Let's start with where things stand today. India already applies a surcharge on high income individuals. The more you earn, the higher the surcharge. Incomes above 50 lakh rupees are subject to an additional tax. That surcharge rises in slabs as income increases. For those earning over 5 crore rupees, the surcharge is 25% under the new tax regime. Under the old regime, it is 37%. That means India's top earners already face some of the highest effective tax rates. So why is the debate coming up now? Economists estimate that recent GST rate cuts combined with lower income tax collections could cost the government nearly 2 lakh rupees crore this year. Also, spending needs are growing. Defense, infrastructure, welfare schemes. With FY27 approaching, the government may be searching for new revenue streams. And taxing the super rich is one option on the table. But experts say this solution may be detrimental. Tax specialists argue that India already follows vertical equity, meaning that those who earn more pay more, and that the effective top tax rate is high enough. So their concern is that if taxes become too punitive, high income individuals may simply leave. Those wealthy individuals are mainly entrepreneurs, investors, and industry creators. So when they leave, jobs, innovation, and investment may leave with them. They can discourage new ventures and slow job creation. Now, there is also talk of reviving the wealth tax, but experts say that's even less likely. India abolished wealth tax in 2015 for a reason. Collections were low, administration was complex, and disputes were high. Asset-based taxes are harder to manage and easier to contest. Surcharges, on the other hand, are simpler to administer. Now, most tax specialists agree on one thing. Rather than hiking rates, the government may be better off improving compliance. Better enforcement, smarter use of technology, and stronger information sharing. That's where sustainable revenue gains are more likely to come from. For more such breakdowns of Budget 2026, follow Business Standard.